Hey gang, this is a package I just received about 10 minutes ago. I don't have anything personally against the UPS driver. I'm sure he or she is a wonderful person. So this is really about facts. And I'd like my network to understand, since we're, trying to do business online, and eBay is our, it's one of our big fundraising programs for our local nonprofit. But also we receive packages of merchandise, and when we buy a freight label, a shipping label with a carrier like UPS, this is a UPS shipment. You can tell from the logo here. We have insured packages, and then we have high value things. We require a signature required. Well, there's a couple things wrong here. First of all, this very expensive box was just left on the porch. There was no signature required. And, I don't want to get people in trouble, but when people don't do their job properly, it's important to let the company know that you paid for a service. The first thing I'm going to do is ask for a refund for the signature requirement because it costs extra money. And I'm not asking for it because we need the extra money. I'm asking for it because I want to bring awareness to the supervisor that their employees are just cutting corners. You cut corners when you leave a signature package on the porch. You also expose your company, in this case UPS, to liability, because if the package gets stolen off the porch and they just left it there, they're going to end up having to refund the package. Also, this I expect better from UPS. I've seen packages like this come from other carriers, but usually UPS and FedEx do a good job, and I don't see problems like this. They mishandled the package, which is a big problem. And I also see the box has been compressed very badly on this side as well. So I'm going to bring this to the attention. I'm also going to, tag UPS in the YouTube video so that they know and they're aware and that their drivers can do a better job. I think that anything that you shine light on is more likely to get, improved. Anytime you shine a light on something, shine a light on a problem, the problem will be improved. So that's it. Anytime you get a package like this, I know it takes time out of your busy day, but I think it's important to, post a video online, tag UPS or FedEx or the post office, and let people know when they do something that is, that doesn't please you, that's not what you asked for. In this case, damaged box. In this case, not requiring a signature at delivery for a very expensive package.